Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. It's only a quick middle of the day update. Not too much has happened since the last video. Just want to highlight to you that it's probably as forecasted a wave 4 Saturday. We're moving here in 3 waves in this sideways consolidation in this small wave 4. Did explain to you the wave count here in the previous video that we had a wave 1 to the downside, a wave 2 to the upside since the high that was made on the 14th of April. Came down probably in a third wave. We can count it complete with this wave structure. You can debate how you put the micro counts here, but it's a valid count and you can count it complete, that third wave. Doesn't mean it needs to be complete. Could very well still be that we are in the third wave still. Yeah, that this is still a smaller degree fourth, but this is not so important. The point is that we can now be watching for this wave 4. How high can that actually go? Well, wave 4 resistance is all the way up to 28,822. Yeah, it would be the 50% retracement. So wave 4 resistance in red here between, well, no, let me just add the 23.6 fib level as well, because these are typically the levels you would expect the wave 4 to react to, between 27.9k and 28.8. If we reach 27.9, that would be good evidence that the third wave is complete, because then we have evidence that we've actually reached here minimum wave 4 target. I think it would be shallow though. Typically a wave 4 is shallow. Maybe we don't even get there, but we should ideally at least as a minimum to 27.9k. Very first early evidence that this move down, at least locally, is over, the wave 3 is in, would be if we break above that trend line that you can see on the chart. Now we've just reacted to it. So my take is, if we don't even get to 27.9, then it probably means that wave 4 in circle hasn't started. If we now make another low and didn't even get there, yeah, then we probably have made only here a smaller degree fourth wave of some sort. But overall, I have no strong bottom signal. This still looks like a 3-way structure, so rather corrective, indicating one more low could be coming. But at some point, we should then finish this move down very shortly, in my opinion. I think a bounce is due. Explained that in the previous video, because we're now oversold on several time frames, especially here, for example, on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, I mean, negative momentum on the MACD is reducing. That indicates that some kind of bounce might be developing, but the relative strength index is oversold here still. Now we've just flipped bullish cross, okay, on the RSI, so indicating, okay, maybe something more substantially, let's call it short-term bullish, is developing, but there is no, price needs to confirm that. At the moment, I don't see that. But now we are in a period, in a price range on the chart after that strong drop, where we need to be watching for a possible reversal. Important support levels, if we make one more low, are of course here around the 26,680 level, which is the 38.2 fib extension retracement, and these previous swing lows here, they are very, very relevant, and it's actually where the previous swing high on the 14th of March was. So this should be quite a strong support zone. Can you see that? All these supports, yeah, and here, and resistance here, and then we've got the fib support as well. So all of that coming together should provide some good support and maybe a chance for a bounce then in the B wave before we come down once more in a C wave to finish off this wave 2. So not much happened, just a quick middle of the day update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.